Hello, little learners. Welcome to the Learning Kids TV. Today, we're going to meet some amazing farm animals. Are you ready to have fun and learn their names? Let's get started. Cow. Cow. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. Pig. Pig. Duck. Duck. Chicken. Chicken. Rooster. Rooster. Rabbit. Rabbit. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Great job, little learners! You did amazing! We hope you had fun meeting all the farm animals. Remember to practice their names every day. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Learning Kids TV for more fun learning adventures. See you next time. Bye-bye.